How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about the fastest way to make 100K. Now, I got this question from a subscriber. We'll go over it right now. Generally, I won't do these videos because it's not really related to health, wealth, longevity. This subscriber is a long-time subscriber, so I really respect him. That's why we're going to do this video for him. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, email me below in the comment section and I will get back to you guys with more details. So this is my personal opinion. Everyone, take everything with a grain of salt and try new things as well. The best way to make money is by being efficient as possible. Yes, it's great to work hard, but eventually there will come a time where you physically can't make more money because you run out of hours in the day. This is why you need passive income, my friends. Passive income is just basically where you get money by doing nothing or very little work. A great example of this would be having renters in a house. You own the house, say it's a 5-bedroom house and you only occupy one room. Well, you have 4 rooms you can rent out to make a profit. YouTube, Amazon affiliated marketing, as well as real estate, buying and selling homes are another great way to make money. Now, if you're sitting at home and you're a teenager or even an older male, what is the fastest way to make that 100K? The fastest way that I did was to start a trade. Any trade will work. Plumbing, electrical, carpenter, welder, it doesn't matter. Basically, any of these trades as a first year or as a beginner starting out will get you around $50,000 to $60,000 a year, depending on where you work. Now, the key to making money fast is going to remote locations where people do not want to work. The reason they don't want to work is because they will be gone and away from their family for a very long time, generally 2 to 3 weeks at a time. Also, generally the weather conditions are absolutely awful, either raining, very hot, or super cold. But if you lack education and you don't care about any of these conditions, you don't have a family, it's not impossible to make $100,000 in a year doing this. Again, this is with zero education. You don't need to go to school as a first year electrical plumber, welder, carpenter. You don't need to. All you need to do is get hired on by a company, work for a year, then go to school. So there's no education. What's another option to make money? Another option would be considered passive income, in my opinion. Again, you would still be working your full-time job. The option is buying and selling houses. Now, it's not the same as flipping houses. Flipping houses, you have to do renovations and be a handyman. Generally very good in electrical, plumbing, and carpentry. Generally in all 3 of those, not just in one of them. What you can do if you're not good, again, at any of them, is just study the market, you guys. Watch it very carefully, and when it comes up, buy the house for a price around $30,000 to $40,000 less than what it costs, and then sell for the same price the person initially wanted, but didn't want to sit or didn't want to have their house wait for 2 to 3 months. Now, some of you are thinking easier said than done. Absolutely, I agree with you guys. But that's the thing, you have to be very, very fast with the market. The minute the house comes up, you have maybe a few hours to buy it. Again, it all comes down to studying the living crap out of the market, you guys. You need to know about 10 to 20 neighborhoods in your area and know what houses are going for based on square foot, age of home, current upgrades. Is the basement finished or unfinished? Is it close to schools, close to shopping areas, etc.? You need to study your craft over and over and over again, and every once in a while you will find that diamond in the rough and then you buy it, you guys. Again, everyone doesn't sell their house based on the current price. Some people do sell because they just want to get out of a messy divorce or need to move pronto because of work, such as being in the army. You're always deployed, you're going to different areas. There were lots of houses that I looked at that people wanted $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 less because they were moving, because they had to move pronto. And again, they need to get rid of the house. You can also lowball a little bit and get it for a little bit cheaper too if someone is in a hurry to sell. You can do this quite easy and make money. Even if you buy and sell and you have to pay tax on your profit, even after you make a ton of money, you guys, you don't need all the money up front either. You can finance it as well and just keep refinancing it while you slowly make a profit, you guys. So that's my take on how to make 100,000. It is possible. You got to study though. You got to study the living crap out of that market, know what's happening. And yeah, I did that personally with my house, you guys. I got a crazy deal. I studied it over and over and over again, you guys. Studied the market for about a year. When the house came up, 2 hours, bought it, end of story. So really happy with what we got, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share it. Peace.